Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm gonna show you how you can replace your wheelbarrow tire if it is as damaged as is mine, because my wheelbarrow was basically just sitting outside during the whole winter, and now when the summer season starts it's definitely not good for the use. As a replacement, I have completely new tire. I will throw a link in the description if you're looking to buy one. There's basically different options. You can either have one with a tube, in which you actually need to put an air inside, or it can be tubeless, which is going to be more permanent and is going to serve you for many years. First thing first, you need a dog that's going to assist you. And when you have found a dog, you're just going to need two keys. In my case, I think it was number 17 and 19. So just unscrew the plugs and take the wheel out. The rest is very simple. You just need to throw it quite far away so that you don't need to see it anymore. And grab the new tire that you purchased. There could be different width of the tires, but to be honest it doesn't really matter. Like mine was a little bit too small. You can see like a wiggle in the place where you need to fixate the tire, but it doesn't matter because the only thing that you need to do is tighten it a little bit extra more, and then it's gonna sit in place without that extra wiggle. When that is done, as the last step, don't forget to pump your tire.